What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the technologies, strategies, and practices designed to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber attacks, mitigating the risks they pose to information systems, networks, and other cyber-physical systems. Often referred to as information technology security, cybersecurity involves developing and implementing technologies, protocols, and policies to protect systems from data breaches, unauthorized manipulation, service disruptions, and other malicious activities. Its primary objective is to ensure data and systems confidentiality, integrity, and availability, safeguarding individuals and organizations from potential cyber threats. Cybersecurity focuses on securing hardware, software, and data from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. It encompasses various subdomains, including network security, application security, cloud security, endpoint security, and data security. Each domain addresses specific vulnerabilities and threats, forming a robust defense mechanism against evolving cyber risks. A cyber attack is any deliberate attempt to compromise an information, system's confidentiality, integrity, or availability. It typically involves unauthorized access to networks, devices, or systems with malicious intent, often resulting in data theft, exposure, alteration, disruption, or even destruction. Cyber attacks can be executed through various techniques, including phishing, ransomware, malware infections, distributed denial of service, and social engineering. The consequences of a successful cyber attack can be devastating, ranging from financial losses and operational disruptions to reputational damage and legal liabilities. Organizations suffering from security breaches may face regulatory fines, lawsuits, and a loss of customer trust. For individuals, cyber attacks can result in identity theft, financial fraud, and significant emotional distress. The rapid IoT adoption in both industrial and consumer spaces has significantly expanded the cyber threat landscape. IoT devices, ranging from smart home gadgets to critical infrastructure, sensors are often vulnerable to cyber attacks due to inadequate security measures, poor encryption standards, and outdated firmware. As IoT devices become more integrated into daily life and essential systems, they provide cybercriminals with increasing attack vectors. A single compromised IoT device can be an entry point for more significant attacks or interconnected networks, causing widespread damage across entire ecosystems. For example, an attack on a smart energy grid or connected healthcare system could severely affect public safety and national security. This growing reliance on IoT underscores the need for heightened cybersecurity awareness and expertise. Engineers, IT professionals, and even non-technical employees must understand basic cybersecurity principles to identify potential threats, follow best practices, and contribute to maintaining secure environments. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT concern. It is a shared responsibility across every level of an organization. Therefore, cybersecurity is a critical field that serves a foundation for protecting digital assets in an increasingly connected world. With the rise of IoT and advanced cyber threats, investing in robust cybersecurity frameworks and fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness has become indispensable for individuals, businesses, and governments alike.